Yo peeps, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are all well and enjoying our lovely British weather at the moment. Sun's coming out and everything. It's been quite lovely to see the old sun. Don't get to see it very often, you know. TRACER 7 big boy bike, finally on one. I've done some videos on little bits and bobs on it, nothing too crazy. What videos did I do? Crash protection and GB racing engine protection. I've now got the water pump protection as well from GB racing, so I'll be sure to be fitting that very soon. So that'll be good. And then didn't do any videos on them, but I fitted a top box bracket and side pannier bracket as well. Haven't got the side boxes yet. Gonna get them very shortly. So yeah, that should be really good. So yeah, I'll be getting those quite soon. So that'll be really good to get those. Especially, I'm planning a few trips to Devon, Cornwall, and Scotland. Also, after Scotland, I think I might do another trip to Wales. I think. Not too sure on that one yet, but I'm pretty sure I want to do something like that. So that'll be good. I don't know, I kind of want to do some wild camping on one of the trips. I think Scotland, just because the amount of miles we're going to be doing, I think a nice hotel or a house to rent, or you know, what else could you do, like just a house rent or something like that for 6 days or so, or how many days we're going to be doing it. So yeah, I've got those dates actually booked off work, so that's good. So that's all good to go ahead. And then my trip to Devon, that's already planned out as well. So that's awesome that I've got those trips already set up. And then yeah, so this bike, absolutely loving it to bits. It's such a blast to ride. The only thing I've noticed might go away after an oil change. Gears are a little bit clunky, but not always, just sometimes. So that can be slightly annoying. But I think it's a little bit to do with clutch control as well, to make the gears run smoothly. Downshifts are nice and smooth, but it's just upshifts sometimes are a little bit like kind of rough. But not really, just a little bit, you know. Just sometimes they'll feel a little bit rough and a bit kind of clunky. But you know, bike hasn't done that many miles, so maybe it's just due to that. The gearbox is still, you know, wearing in, as it were, sort of thing. So yeah, I will find a place to pull over and we'll just have a little look at the bike and show you some bits and bobs that I've done to it, and little things that I found issues with, and issues that I still haven't resolved and I've still got the issue. So yeah, I think further down here is a nice little spot to pull over. People will be thinking, what the hell is he doing talking to himself, but I don't care. So I think it's just down here on the left. Yeah, we could pull over here, I guess. Should we? Fuck it. It's alright. It's a decent place to pull over. Alright guys, so this is my TRACER 7. Got the side mounts here now, they're on there. Got the top box bracket and the top box itself. Had to DIY the bracket to get this system to work with my top box because I really like this one. It's a cheap Chinese one, but it's pretty awesome. Got some stickers on it and stuff. Some RNG stickers. I don't know why I got those on it because I've got GB racing stuff, but you know it is. Got a twig screen and then with a spoiler. So yeah, the spoiler is pretty awesome to have. Just stops that buffeting around the head perfectly. Got some engine protection here. So these are for if bike goes down, and then front forks as well. And then GB racing engine covers on both sides. I need to get the one for the water pump and the water pump hoses or pipes as it were. And then got the same on the rear, and then I have actually got some RNG rear spools on there as well. Tail tidy on the back, just to keep everything a little bit smaller, a bit nicer. In the post I have got a front mudguard extension coming in the post, and a rear mudguard extension coming as well. What else? Oh yeah, quad lock 3D printed adapter. If I find a way of being able to share that, I will. But that's a bracket that I designed and built, and it takes quad lock and it goes from the 3D printed part to the vibration dampener to the wireless charger. So it's pretty sweet. And then I've got these wing mirrors that I like because they tuck out the way. It just allows me to tuck my motorbike away a little bit nicer, and for filtering as well, because sometimes your mirrors get in the way a little bit for filtering. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all the modifications that I've done to my bike. I wouldn't say they're mods, I'd say there'll be improvements. One thing I don't like is this mechanism for the windshield. It's very rattly. It's very plasticky as well, so it's not great. It does the trick, but I definitely want to find a solution to fix that. And yeah, it's a pretty awesome bike. Love the colour, and yeah, it's just a dope bike. I haven't yet put in the charger ports. You can put a charging port there, and I believe a charging port there. Haven't done that yet because I've got the quad lock wireless charger. So it's like, yep, don't need that. So I might put it in, so when I put cameras on my bike and stuff and do some filming, I'll be able to charge the cameras up and that. But apart from that, that is my TRACER 7 in a nutshell. Planning to get a Prokovich titanium exhaust for it. I've got the side cases coming in the post soon for when I go on really long journeys. I need to carry loads of my crap. And then yeah, I've got like some Krieger gear that can be attached to the top of my top box, so that's quite handy. Then you've got to go over all this gravel. Love it, love it, love it. My helmet's steaming up. Jeez, must be hot. So yeah, overall my bike has done 3,766 miles so far. I think when I got it was 2,600 and something. So yeah, so it's done, you know, I've done a fair few 100 miles on it so far. Absolutely love it. It's been treating me really well, no issues at all. He didn't want to move over, did he? Alright, well, this was going to be a nice road, but we're stuck behind a school bus. So, yeah. This road is pretty nice when it's clear. Look at all those in the fields, all the, I forgot what you call that stuff, the purpley blue stuff. Ah, what is it called? It's like a flower. It looks really pretty though, really nice. It's the thing with like forests like this, get some really nice, just wild plants and wild wildlife. It's quite nice. So yeah, this road's normally quite nice. I'm just going to drop back a little bit, just do 20 miles an hour, while he can hopefully speed up and get gone. Yeah, look at all that. Don't know how well you'll be able to see it on camera, but oh yeah, hopefully I have sorted out mic issues and been able to record comms basically. So I soldered a cable together that takes my Cardo audio and my microphone audio and makes it into two cables, one cable to go into my headphones and one cable to go into my GoPro. So yeah, that's pretty good, pretty cool. So yeah, hopefully when I go to Scotland with a mate, you'll be able to hear him, have conversations with me, and we can have a bit of banter, chat about stuff, about how the journey's going, and some other bits and bobs, so that'd be nice. So yeah, that'll be quite enjoyable. So yeah, the only thing is with now this bike is now that's kind of annoying me a little bit is the rattling from the screen a little bit. It's not noticeable only in like slow moving traffic. Kind of rattles about, but it's not the end of the world. It's still serving a purpose. Still works. So yeah, this is my Yamaha TRACER 7. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you had a good bank holiday, as that was a few days ago. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.